I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on 3 dots in the top right corner, then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Action Livestorm. Give here an API key, so please visit the Livestorm API token. Generate a token. Give here a meaningful name. Give here right permissions. Generate a token. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an event. Choose a session. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the Livestorm site and go to People. Refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the Livestorm site. Thanks for watching.